This here is a prickly pear paddle. It is a cactus, and it's very common in Mexico and other countries that have prickly pears. Bolivia, we don't eat the cactus that much, but they eat it a lot in Mexico. You will find this in the United States at Hispanic supermarkets. Most of the time they will sell it to you with the spines on, and you're going to have to remove those, scrape them off with a knife. These have already been cleaned. I washed it, and now I'm gonna slice it and divide it into 2 bags and freeze it for smoothies. This is called Nopal in Spanish, by the way. Okay, I'm gonna freeze it and we'll make some very healthy smoothies. Nopal, or cactus paddle, is full of fiber, guys. It's got a lot of antioxidants. It has anti-inflammatory effects for the body, very good for inflammation, and it helps decrease blood sugar. We're also going to use celery for this recipe. As you can see, I'm using the stalk and the leaves. I love the flavor of celery, so I'm going to add the leaves. They add a lot of flavor. You don't have to use the leaves if you don't want. Just make sure you remove the strings from your celery, okay? Celery is full of antioxidants, guys. It also has a lot of fiber. It helps fight inflammation. It improves digestion, and it reduces high cholesterol, so it's great. We're also going to use pineapple for this recipe. Pineapple is known for being an anti-inflammatory. It's got bromelain in it. It's got tons of vitamin C, so it's good for your immune system. Has a ton of fiber as well. So this smoothie in general is great for your digestive system, but it's also an amazing anti-inflammatory for your body. So I have a cup of filtered water in here. I'm going to add my celery. Putting about 5 chunks of pineapple. Doesn't have to be exact, guys. Ooh. And half of a frozen paddle of nopal. All right, let's blend this. This is a great drink, guys, to have whenever you want, especially if you're feeling like you have, a lot of pains and aches in your body. Don't overdo it with the nopal. It can give you diarrhea or make you, or increase the volume of your stool. There's a lot of fiber in this, okay? Oh, this is so delicious. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.